Welcome back to Books in Minutes. If you're new here, we bring you life-changing book summaries explained in depth so you can learn powerful lessons in minutes instead of hours. Today's book is The Power by Rhonda Byrne, the sequel to the worldwide bestseller, The Secret. While The Secret introduced us to the law of attraction, The Power focuses on a single force that drives everything in our lives, love. But this isn't just romantic love. Rhonda Byrne calls love the energy that shapes our reality. If we can understand how to use it, we can transform our health, relationships, finances, and future. Let's dive in. The book begins with a bold statement. Everything in life comes down to one force, love. Byrne explains that love is not just an emotion, but a vibration, a frequency of energy. Think of life like a mirror. Whatever you put out is what comes back to you. If you project love, joy, and gratitude, life reflects back blessings. But if you project anger, jealousy, or fear, life reflects back struggles. For example, have you ever noticed when you wake up in a bad mood, your entire day seems to go wrong? That's your energy attracting more negativity. But if you wake up thankful and smiling, even small things, like a stranger holding the door for you, feel like proof the universe is on your side. That's the power of love at work. Then Byrne explains how our feelings act like a compass. Good feelings mean you're aligned with love. Bad feelings mean you've drifted away from it. Feelings aren't random. They're signals that show what you're attracting into your life. Joy, excitement, and gratitude bring you closer to abundance. Worry, anger, and fear push abundance away. Imagine you're tuning a radio. If you want to hear your favorite music, you must set the frequency correctly. Your feelings work the same way. They tune your life. If you tune to the frequency of love, you'll attract more love. If you tune to fear, you'll hear only static, problems, conflicts, and struggles.
One of the strongest tools Byrne gives us is gratitude. Gratitude multiplies whatever you have. When you're grateful for something, you tell the universe, I love this, I want more of it, and the universe delivers. Example, if you're grateful for the money you already have, no matter how small, you attract more financial opportunities. But if you constantly complain about being broke, you block the flow of money. Gratitude shifts your focus from what's missing to what's present. And that shift alone changes your energy. Byrne recommends starting your mornings by listing 10 things you're grateful for and ending your nights by replaying the best moments of your day. Think of gratitude as fuel for abundance. The more thankful you are, the faster your life transforms. The law of attraction comes alive here. Byrne explains that your thoughts are like radio signals. Whatever you think about, you send out as a frequency, and the universe sends back matching experiences. Example, if you think, I'll never find love, you're broadcasting loneliness, and the universe confirms it. But if you think, I am loved and worthy of love, you align with relationships that reflect it. It's not magic, it's focus. What you focus on expands, and your emotions fuel that focus. Visualization is another tool Byrne emphasizes. She says your imagination isn't just fantasy, it's creation. Think of athletes. Before a game, they visualize themselves winning. This mental rehearsal actually programs their minds and bodies to succeed. When you imagine your dream life, and most importantly, feel the emotions of already having it, your subconscious mind accepts it as reality. The universe then works to align opportunities with your vision. So don't just dream, feel the dream as if it's already real. Byrne explains that love is not only about asking, but also about giving. The energy you send out always returns to you multiplied. Example, compliment someone sincerely, it makes them feel good, and you feel good too. That energy circles back to you. Smile at strangers, forgive someone, or appreciate a coworker. These small acts of love radiate, and love always returns. On the other hand, criticism and judgment radiate negativity, which also returns. If you want more love, wealth, and health, Start by sending out those vibrations yourself. Byrne shows how to apply love's power to key areas of life. Health. Don't obsess over illness. Focus on health. Love your body and visualize strength. Your body responds to love. Wealth. Stop thinking about what you lack. Be grateful for every dollar, every opportunity. Appreciation attracts more financial blessings. Relationships. Don't dwell on people's faults. Look for their strengths. Give compliments and send love in your thoughts. Relationships heal and grow when you focus on the good. Example: if you constantly nag your partner, negativity grows. If you appreciate them, love expands. The same energy principle works everywhere. Finally, Byrne explains that everything in life comes down to choice. At every moment, you can choose love or negativity. Every thought is a seed. Seeds of love grow into abundance. Seeds of fear grow into struggles. Day by day, your choices create your destiny. So the question is, which seeds are you planting? In the end, the power leaves us with one unforgettable truth. Love is the greatest force in the universe. When you radiate love through gratitude, kindness, and positive energy, life reflects it back in health, wealth, joy, and strong relationships. The more love you give, the more love you receive. The power to change everything is already within you. If you found this video inspiring, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Books in Minutes for more life-changing summaries. And let me know in the comments what's one thing you're most grateful for today.